Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is take your seeds or your plants and put them in this planter, and it grows your food for you. It's called Torpedopot. I never water, never feed. The only thing I do is supplement the environment, but I do nothing else, and I get food all the time. This is my second harvest. No, this is my third harvest. And so this has grown back so fantastically. I cut it all down, then I cut this side down, cut that side down, and then I came back and gleaned it all, and I still have this right here. This is an amazing harvest. And it's unbelievable. I can see where I originally cut them down at. Wow, that's amazing. So what I'm here today is to harvest my crops. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. So all I do is put my seeds in this planter right here, and it grows my food for me. See how beautiful that is? See how fleshy that is? That's Torpedopot. Man, that's beautiful. Let's get some more. Is that okay? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. I think that's all I need. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. Well, all you do is take your seeds and put them in this planter, and they grow your food for you. You'll have food for the rest of your life. Yes, in a planter like this, you might do between 1 and 2 pounds of lettuce. Even more than that, depending upon what variety you're going to grow. Guys, these Torpedopots are no joke. When I come outside and I'm hungry, I don't eat that lettuce that you have in the supermarket. I eat food that's alive, that's perfect for my body, that's perfect for me, and that's healthy. I don't have dead food. I don't need dead food. I eat food that's profitable for all of us, for my health and your health. So what I want to do is just to show you what you can do with your Torpedopot when you have it outside. This is my third harvest of this planter right here, and it's going to continue to give and to give and to give and to give. Have nothing to worry about to the end of its season. It's a life cycle. So I would cut some more down, but I think this is enough. I'm going to mix this with some celery, and we're going to have a ball. Guys, again, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds in these planters, or your plants in these planters, and they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again in your life. They're called Torpedopot. They're self-growing planters. And once I put my seeds and my plants in the planter, I just let it grow. And it gives me so much food that I've never seen before in my life. And it's so healthy. They're so strong. They're very fleshy. They're alive. Torpedopot has coined it perfectly. We make sustainable growing systems that will feed you and your family for the rest of your life. That's what this is about. A system that continually produces food. Well, all you do is come out and you just eat it and eat it and eat it and let it grow and let it grow and let it grow. That's the whole concept behind Torpedopot. Completely sustainable. One seed should multiply into 30, 60, 100 seeds. One seed should multiply because your fruit should multiply. Your seed should come out more and more. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make food and put it on your table right at your doorstep. And it's so great. You're going to love Torpedopot so much. It's really going to rock your world. All right, I'm going to take this in, wash it off. I'm going to cut it up. I got some fresh celery. I can get this celery right here if I wanted to, but I've already cut it down twice. I don't want to cut it down. I'm going to let it grow a little bit more and see what it does. Then I go back and get some other ones. But stay on top of your food. Always good to harvest your food. Let them breathe. Let air come out. So it's always good to go down and take as many as possible, carry them in, wash them off, and they'll have food for a while. Let's see, I've got more down here. Oh gosh, it's unbelievable. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I think I want that one too. I know we make a nice big bowl of lettuce. Really, really big bowl of lettuce. Man, dude, this is going to be really great. I'm going to like this. Well, I can't get too greedy. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. where we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you. You'll never have to grow your food again in your life, and you'll have so much food that you won't know what to do with. John Radisson, torpedopot.com.